So this video is going to focus on the change of base formula, which is super helpful when you're working with logs. So, because some of our logs are not going to be as easy to evaluate as the ones above, or the ones that we did in the last video. So this is going to require the change of base formula, which can be written as follows. So when you have log base b of a, the change of base formula would be log of a divided by the log of b. So log a divided by log b. Let's do some examples. So we're going to evaluate each of the logs using the change of base formula. So the log of 16 of 64, that can't be rewritten as easily. So what you're going to do is you're going to have log of 64, since 64 is the a, so it goes on the top, and then log of 16 on the bottom, since 16 is the b. A over b. Think about it that way. A over b. And when you write it as in this format, the calculator assumes that you're going to be in base 10, since there's literally a button on your calculator that says log. Fun fact. So let me erase this giant circle that I put on the screen. But be careful when you type it in, because when you type it into your calculator, I highly advise using parentheses. So type log of 64 in parentheses, and then divide it by log of 16. And that number you're going to get is going to be 1.5. 1.5. Let's do number 22. So the 32 is going to be my a, so that's going to go on top with log of 32. And then on the bottom, I'm going to have log of 8. Now the same thing, put the numbers in parentheses when you're typing into the calculator. It'll be very helpful. And the number you're going to get is actually 1.6 repeating. So just put a line over the 6 to show that it is a repeating number. It's just going to be 1.6 going on forever. Now let's look at number 24. So we have log base 10 of 294. This one can't be rewritten and solved easily, so once again use change of base. So the 294 is going to be my a, so I'm going to have log of 294, I can do a better 4 than that, over log of 10. Put your numbers in the parentheses so the calculator will not get confused. And the number you're going to get is going to be a pretty long, kind of crazy decimal, so I'm going to go ahead and round it to 2.49, because you're actually going to get like 2.4683. It goes on forever, but I went ahead and just rounded it to that hundreds place right there. And you can do that if you have just a forever repeating decimal. Last but not least, we have log base 6 of 1 over 36. So now we got a fraction here. So we're going to have log of 1 over 36. So yes, the whole fraction, 1 over 36, is my a, divided by the log of 6. And this is where the parentheses are super important, because if you have to do the log of a fraction, and you type it in there without parentheses, the calculator is going to make a mistake. It's going to get confused. So please use parentheses. So log of 1 over 36 divided by the log of 6 is actually going to get you a nice clean number of -2. -2, final answer.